Hi, my name is Vedarth and today I made this Avatar part 1 helicopter which has this 2 wings, 1 tail and the front. Now after this let's go to the how to make. Okay, now this is the pieces we're going to need. Okay, first we need this piece which is like this. You have to put it like this, then you have to put this piece, another piece like this, okay. Then we have to put this piece on top of it like this, okay. Then we have to put this cockpit here. Then we have to take one by one plate, just put it there. Then put this piece here and put this here like this, and then these Lego floating plates, like if there's an emergency, one can just fit in. It's not fit in, but one leg can fitting in it. This in one minifigure leg. That much hole is in this. We have to turn it around and put it like this, and then we have to put another one, the same one, at the other side like this. Yeah, now our helicopter is done. Bye.